In this video, I'll show you how to add the till 2026 animation, a New Year style reveal that makes your video feel festive and celebratory. Let's get started. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is already placed on the timeline. Now, tap on the video clip you want to animate. From the bottom toolbar, tap on Animation. Next, switch to the In tab because this controls how the clip appears at the beginning. Scroll through the animations and look for till 2026. When applied, you'll see a New Year inspired reveal that instantly sets a celebratory mood. Use the duration slider to control how fast or slow the reveal plays. Shorter duration feels energetic, while longer duration feels more cinematic. Preview the animation and fine tune it to fit your celebration edit. And that's it. You've successfully added a New Year countdown reveal in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fully detailed CapCut mobile animation tutorials.